Hi, everyone. This is Adam Oakes with the Planet Technologies Managed Services team, and I'm here to share with you this week's Play of the Week. So, this week's Play of the Week does not actually come directly from the roadmap, but it's something that Microsoft announced a week or so ago that I think has the potential to really change how a lot of us work. Microsoft actually announced a new service that is going to be coming available to the commercial side. I'm sure it will be coming in not too long to the GCC and GCC High to the government side. It's a service called Windows 365. Now, Microsoft really likes to be kind of confusing with their marketing and with their branding. I get it. They want everything to be Windows or Microsoft or Defender. 365 is the number they like to use. But what Windows 365 is in practice has the potential to be game changing. Essentially, what's going on with it is it's going to be the equivalent of a Windows virtual desktop that's fully accessible and usable entirely from a browser. So if you're familiar with Windows Virtual Desktop, one of the common things that you see on the security side of the house with companies is they will do Windows Virtual Desktop deployments where they have essentially desktops that are managed through Azure that are in the cloud somewhere that the users go through and log into to access. Now, there's a decent amount of work involved with this. You have to manage the images. You have to go through and decide what's installed on them. You have to do deployments. You have to handle resourcing, stuff like that. Windows 365 makes this much simpler. All you're going to be going through and doing is for a cost per user per month, essentially having a desktop that's fully accessible through a browser. From the security and compliance standpoint, there are huge implications potentially involved with this, where it becomes much easier to lock down a system and make it secure for you and your users. I think it's going to be really interesting to see how this develops over time. And specifically, what makes me happy about this is for companies that maybe are not as technical or maybe that don't have the ability to manage very technical resources. I think this makes something that was potentially maybe unattainable before much more attainable and realistic. So excited to see where it's coming. As I said, right now they announced the product coming out that we'll be able to do on commercial. You can do Windows 10 or once Windows 11 launches, do Windows 11. I am sure the same benefits are eventually going to come for GCC and GCCI. We'll just have to continue watching the space. But again, new product from Microsoft that I think really has the potential to be a game changer and is really relevant to the Office 365 world. So excited to see it and excited to see where Microsoft goes with it. This has been your Play of the Week here at Planet Technologies. We look forward to talking to you guys next week. Take care.